More than 6,500 students are participating in summer programs here at SUSD. I'm Melinda Meza with the Stockton Unified School District. ELOP, the Expanded Learning Opportunities Program, is providing students with summer learning and summer fun.
So we're gonna make the sundial.
They are expanding their horizons
Because one part is gonna be morning, the other part is gonna be night.
as part of the Expanded Learning Opportunities Program at SUSD.
We're gonna try to make the sundial like on the floor.
We do computers, esports, go outside, or just draw.
These students are participating in the ELOP summer program.
Offer services to our students beyond the school day. So that's before school, after school, during our intersession breaks like fall break, spring break, and winter, and also summer school.
Offering classroom and outdoor growth.
So we offer services from academics to enrichment learning, sports,
I like how they play Mario Kart, Smash Bros.
food, all the wonderful programs to support the whole child.
Director Mary Rogers says ELOP caters to students from kindergarten all the way up to the 12th grade.
We have our paraprofessionals from our community partners working to support our students with sports, culinary, esports, the arts, performing arts, all the great things. Hands-on projects is just amazing for our students.
Yesterday we made a soccer ball out of clay.
45 schools with 6,700 students.
I signed up for the school soccer team.
Intramural sports, including soccer, basketball, and football,
Oh, it's fun.
all with a goal in mind.
It's really fun, and you guys should sign up next year so you guys can learn how to do a lot more stuff.
In Stockton, Melinda Meza with the Stockton Unified School District.